Hello, everyone. Good day. Thank you so much
Hello.
for joining us on the second day of SaaS Insiders Annual 2021 Conference. So today we have this one announcement I would like to make. We were supposed to have Arwina Mogul, who's the CEO of Beam.gg, a Toronto-based company, but unfortunately she has a bit of a medical issue due to which she couldn't make it today. So we have Kunal Dhawan, who's a software engineer at Beam.gg, who will be covering for her. So Beam.gg is a Toronto-based technology company on a mission to develop and enhance gamer experiences everywhere. So they create fully customized platforms to help companies manage, grow, and monetize communities. So in this current trend where community-led growth is going to be the next big thing, we have Beam.gg leading the way. So today's topic will be a game-based community experience, and Kunal will be covering for Arvina. Thank you everyone again for joining us. Kunal, the stage is yours.
Okay, thank you, Gautam. Hello, everyone. My name is Kunal Dhawan, and I'm working as a software engineer for Beam.gg. So, what is Beam.gg? You guys can see the link I just shared in the chat. So, Beam.gg is a community-based platform, and our application, our product, is a multi-tenant SaaS-based product. So, what we do, we allow you to build your own communities. So, a community platform can have all the features which Reddit has, all the features which a basic subforum can have, and stuff like that. So basically, it's your own community space where like-minded people can spend time, know each other, and build their community organically. So today, topic is basically how gamification enhances your community-based experience. So as you can see, I have just shared this link. So this is one of the communities. It's not one, since we are multi-tenant SaaS-based product. So we have, like, we can support thousands of communities with millions of users, not an issue. So it's of that scale, our product. So
Kunal, one moment. Sorry to interrupt.
yeah,
Have you
sure.
started sharing your screen? Because I don't see it on the stage.
Uh, I think I am seeing that on the stage. It is shared. Should I share it again?
Yeah, could you stop and then start again?
Okay, I'll do
Yeah,
that.
sure. Sure, yeah.
Okay, I think yeah, I'll just share it again.
Yes, please. Thank
Okay,
you.
so for me, it's still showing exit backstage. So should I share there, or
No,
I'm not on
so
stage?
no worries. So below, do you see the option called mute? Then you have hide video and then share screen.
Yeah,
So you
I
can
see
click on
that.
that. Yeah. In
Okay,
case you're presenting, you can stop and then start again. That should present it to
yeah,
the audience.
okay, I'm doing that. Can you see it now?
Yes, it's good now. Yeah, good to go.
Okay, okay. Sorry, everyone. I just didn't realize that it's not being shared. So yeah, so so this is one of the communities you can see built by our platform, and this is how it looks. So today's topic is basically how game-based community experience can be indulged and can be incorporated in a community. So I'll start by sharing, like, what is the biggest problem a community faces. And online communities are there in the market since like age of dinosaurs, like 15 to 20 years. But there has been a consistent challenge a community face, which is user engagement and providing recognition to their users. Apart from that, user engagements usually die over the time due to lack of interest, and it's hard to make people come back. So we were all thinking about what is the solution for this problem. So our uh, our company decided that we can add a very brand new cool feature for our community, which is gamification. So gamifying the online community experience is the solution for consistent user engagement and making users come back. So I'll just quickly explain what is gamification. If you see that, if you Google it right now, gamification, you will see that Google says gamification is the application of game design elements and game principles in non-game context. So what is the non-game context here? It is an online community, which is not exactly a real game. But how does gamification apply here? So let's see. Uh, what problem does, like, how does gamification solves this problem, posed with the root question that is dying user engagement and making people come back and stuff. So as you can see, in any game, the most important thing which game developers focus on is the identity. The sense of identity throughout the video game is built over time and like reflected on their profile. Same principles we apply on our community platform. So whatever you do on the community actions like posting, commenting, reacting, completing quests, and many other features, they all contribute to building your own profile. So I'll just show you how a profile at this community looks like. So you can see this is my profile, and like I have the rank as a leader, and then this is my level. And apart from that, it's not just about uh, showcasing things. It's about how I earn these things. So you can see badges. I have not unlocked any badges, so the product is still new and it's a faraway thing. But then I'll show you what the quest looks like. So in any game, you can see missions, people doing missions, game developers uh, s- purposely set up missions which are highly replayable, and uh, so they want the gamers to come back to the game again and again and play and achieve certain things. Same concept we have ported over to a community, and but in our communities, it is not just about missions, it's about quests. Quests are like missions. If you are unfamiliar with the term, they are like missions, but they are small. They exist over a short period of time. So these are the quests like apply a tier 2 profile cover, and this quest I have completed. So how did I reach to this cover is basically with my interaction. I have gained experience points, which is XP in any game. Then based on that XP, I have earned levels. Then based on the levels, any user can unlock quest, complete quest, like see this is one of the quests, and I can claim, and now this is incompleted, and then I can earn badges. So this is one of the most important things we have ported over from any real game, missions uh, termed as quests. So this is one
Kunal,
of the things.
uh,
Yep.
yeah, sorry to interrupt. I think your screen is a little blurry. Could you maybe stop sharing and then again start? Not
Okay.
sure why
Okay.
it's like this. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll do that again. Just a sec.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. I'm sharing it again. Okay.
Yes,
Are you able
it's
to see
better
it,
now.
Gadu?
Yes, all good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So maybe if someone missed the profile pages, you can go to the link and sign up and even see your profile. I'll show you that how it looks different now. You can see Arwina's profile. She's not here, but I'll still showcase her. So she is at the grandmaster level and she has her own profile avatar, which looks very cool and stuff. So these are all the gamification elements which we have incorporated in our product, and which good, like, you can build up your profile over the time by doing anything on the community. Every action in the community adds on to the gamification, and this is a deep system which is woven into our product. So this is one of the points, like building your identity, which is related to your which actually contributes to your profile, and you get a recognition in that community by showcasing your profile and how much you contribute on the community. I have covered the replayability. So every game developer wants to achieve this goal, which is providing highly replayable games. And there is a gamer inside all of us. Like everyone wants to just play games, hop onto your mobile phone, PC, consoles, and just have some fun. So same thing we wanna do with the online communities, that it should be a fun experience, and we are bringing up that with the gamification. So that's how gamification in beam.gg works. And this is like one of the communities I've shown. It's like one in a thousands or millions. Who knows the future? So the next thing is like how gamification. What are the other areas that can be covered in gamification? So I'll say that customizations. So how communities are customized. Everything you are seeing here is basically customizable. In your profile, the profile banner you see, it's different for Arwina. It was different for me. Then your levels, your rankings, your badges, even the color of the badges is different, and the logo and stuff. You can see this is one community. Now I'll show you a different community. Even the reactions are customizable. So I'll show you one more. Uh, I'll not go with all of them, but yeah, just to enhance the customization thing, just to emphasize on that. So this is another community. It's running the same code, but see how different it looks. It has different banner, different icon, different accent colors. The beam community.beam.gg was purple, and this is completely orange, as the name says, orange community. And here my profile is different. Like I'm using both since I developed I have developed this product. So yeah, I have profiles. I was already signed in. Then you can see all the accent colors. My quest changes here based on my profile on this community. So if you are an influencer, you have a company, you are a YouTuber, TikToker, anything, you can have your own gamified community from our platform, and you can have your own colors, your own logo stuff, your own members. That will be for sure. I'll just quickly show how notification and stuff. So everything you see is gamified. See, even the notifications are like quest complete, so it is a notified that I completed this quest, so stuff like that. So it's highly customizable experience with woven gamification all over the place. Now, as you have seen, I've already showed that two types of customization. So these are the main customizations we cover in our community platform in communities. Number one is community customization, which is how community looks, the accent colors, the logo.
Kunal,
Yep.
sorry to interrupt you. I think your screen has got blurred again.
Oh, I'll share that
Yeah,
again just to take. I don't
yeah,
know
sure.
why is this happening, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'll just share it again. And
Yeah,
thanks
sure.
for prompting it up, Gautam.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
appreciate that. Yeah. So yeah, is it clear now?
Yes, much better. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
All right.
So if anyone thinks that the community is blur, you can go to the link. It's not a blur thing. It's just a video video streaming thing. Okay. So I was talking about the customization. So as you can see, all the accent colors of this community versus the first one I showed is completely different. And
Mhm.
this is one of the main key features of how different your community can look as compared to any other community. So it's not like I have one product. I am saying, okay, I have Facebook. I am not saying that make your Facebook group. This doesn't work like that. It works like your own website, online community, which looks completely different as others. So it's highly customizable. And then the page I'm sharing right now is already profile customization. So community customization versus profile customizations. And these customizations reach a deep level. You guys can see that even the categories in a community can be different. These are communities inside communities. We call it sub forums. So even in a community, I can have different sub forums, which can have different posts, different contents. And so these are all completely gamified and highly customizable. Apart from that, there are a few more things I would like to cover in gamification, like let's say what a game developer. If you put yourself in the shoes of a game developer, we all are gamers in the team, so I'm talking on behalf of my team. But yeah, uh, So what other elements we thought of before implementing gamification? As one of them is pleasantly frustrating. So what does that mean? A game should actually frustrate the player enough to challenge them, but be easy enough so that they believe and can overcome that challenge. And quest exactly work like this. So if you are at tier 1 quest, you will think, okay, this is easy, I just did that. As soon as you complete the tier 1 quest, the tier 2 quest will load up, and then for that you will again have to like that will be more challenging than the first one. So the difficulty level of the quest increases
Kunal,
with your level. Yes, God.
sorry to interrupt you. You might have to share your screen again.
Oh my God.
Has blurred, yeah.
uh, okay, I am sharing. I am getting good at this, sharing again and again. Okay, I'll share it now. Is it clear?
Yes, it is now. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yeah. So our quest's difficulty level increases over the time with increase in your level and your contribution. So it's not like you are doing the same thing and these are time based. And in future, uh, we currently have 42 quests for every user in any community. And in future, we'll be adding more quests over the time, and they sure they'll be more difficult or maybe more interesting. Who knows? Uh, Apart from that, another thing our team realized and our product is trying to solve is uh, incentivization. So another reason for the problem we discussed before is like lack of community engagement is because people lose their motivation. So what we have researched is there are basically two main types of motivation: intrinsic and extrinsic. So when you are intrinsically motivated, your behavior is actually driven by personal enjoyment and or interest. So I play Overwatch a lot, my friends play Valorant, someone plays CSGO. That's their own interest. But
Mm.
on the other hand, extrinsic motivations are driven by external factors such as like rewards, recognition from others, and stuff like that. So the badges system, the achievement system you might have seen in the profile, or you guys can sign up and see it on your own profile. So that system is basically incentivizing the player to keep investing their time. The rank, badges, claiming the quests, unlocking new avatar frames, cover pictures, boost users' interaction. Like all of these contribute to their time spent on the platform. So that is how the community is getting gamified by our product. Yeah,
That's
and
great.
yeah, so all of these contribute towards the sense of achievement, boost up your engagement time and time spent on the platform. And we are sure that we'll be coming up with new challenges in forms of quests, achievements, and a lot more things here to come. So I'll just end it with a key takeaway that gaming is everywhere and growing fast. But when gamification is properly applied to your community engagement strategy, it motivates your members to participate and lead to a more vibrant, active, and peaceful community overall. So that's what we are trying to achieve. I think I'm up for any question, and yeah, I'll stop sharing.
Great.
Gautam,
Yes.
can you hear me?
So thanks for that, Kunal. Let's see. We don't,
Okay.
if anyone has any questions, please post it on the chat. Kunal will be
Yeah.
taking them up. We have another 3 to 4 minutes to go.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be just sharing
So,
some links.
yeah.
So you guys can have, you can guys can see how different communities look, and this is the builder actually, the app.beam.db, where you can build your own communities right now at this moment, and it will be up within minutes. So yeah, I think there's some problem in the mic. I'm like hearing my own voice.
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm wearing earphones, so
Okay. Yeah. I'm up for the questions Q&A session. Let's see what we have.
All right, Kunal. So, how do you generally, maybe when people ask you what's the difference between having your community on Slack versus having a tool, like an online tool for your community,
Mhm.
how do you go about the question? What would be your first thoughts? How do you
Okay.
let them know that having a tool for your community,
Mhm.
what are the edges that has over having a community on Slack?
Okay. So the first straight answer which comes to my head is white labeling. So if you have a community on Slack, who are you actually promoting? The Slack, right? Slack is the app which goes. If Slack goes down tomorrow, you cannot do anything about it. Same with Facebook groups, Insta groups, anything, Insta pages. Yeah. But here, it's a B2B product. So if you have a company, you can have a community on your own website.
Mhm.
Like we have our clients which have their community in their own domain, not on Beam domain. Like you just saw that strummer.tv, that is not beam.gg. So it is completely white labeled community experience, and you are building your own community organically with your own name. Even if you sign up to this, you will get emails customized based on your community colors and stuff. So
All
that
right.
is the level of customization we are taking up, and it's completely wide label. This That's how it will be completely different from your Slack experience versus your community experience with our product.
All right, great. So I think that's it for me.
Okay.
Yeah, I think even the audience are clear on on the session. So that's
Okay.
great to know. All right,
Yeah.
Kunal, thank you so much for joining us today. It was a pleasure
Yeah.
hosting you. All
Thank
right,
you
you
so much,
take care.
Gautam. Yeah, you too. Have a safe day, everyone.
Thank you. You too. And for the audience,
Okay.
we have other sessions coming up. We have a great lineup of speakers today. And when you get the time, check out the expo. We have several companies and communities putting up booths there.
Mhm.
And see you at the next session. Thank you so much for joining us today.
All right.